petty revenge on a shrieking surly idiot feeding seagulls. I babysat 3-year-old children and took them to the beach. They had a great time playing with sticks, rocks, and feathers, chasing each other, digging, and having fun. There were only a few people around, including 2 young women sunbathing nearby. A woman and her daughter arrived and sat down near the sunbathers, but the older woman started eating her food and attracting seagulls. The birds swooped over the sunbathers, disturbing them and blowing sand. One of the sunbathers politely asked the woman to stop, but she refused and said she can do whatever she wants. Suddenly, the children ran towards the birds, causing them to fly away in chaos. The angry woman yelled at the kids, but I defended them, saying they could do what they wanted. The woman eventually left, and we continued enjoying our day at the beach.